Ocean Power Technologies keeps making positive waves that keep investors on board, even though it's not always smooth sailing. After going over some highlights from fourth quarter and full-year fiscal 2025 results, we'll take a look at some standout developments that could keep OPT afloat like a power buoy in rough seas and propel the business along like a continuously charged WAM-V. For example, OPT reported a net loss of $21.5 million for FY25, which is actually an improvement compared to a net loss of $27.5 million for FY24. This change was largely driven by the decrease in operating expenses, which decreased $8.9 million or 28% to $23.3 million in FY25, compared to $32.2 million in FY24. Net cash used in operating activities for FY25 was approximately $18.6 million, compared to $29.8 million. Revenues went from $5.5 to $5.9 million from FY24 to FY25. However, gross profit for FY25 was $1.7 million, compared to a gross profit of $2.8 million for FY24. Meanwhile, backlog stood at $12.5 million as of April 30, 2025, representing a 158% increase over the prior year. OPT's pipeline also grew to $137.5 million, an 88% increase from $71.6 million from April 30, 2024. The results that were positive were made possible by OPT's progress in global platform deployments, which has involved shipping an AI-enabled Meros Powerbuoy to a Middle Eastern customer and securing a new contract with an international defense agency to demonstrate multiple WAM-V unmanned surface vehicles. Positive sentiment also lingers from the earlier completion of a U.S. Naval postgraduate school deployment of a Powerbuoy with Meros for persistent maritime surveillance research. Multi-million-dollar orders have also been received for Powerbuoy and WAM-V systems from customers in Latin America. One of these orders with more details involves a reseller agreement with a leading Mexican engineering firm to expand its reach across Central America. This partnership significantly expands OPT's commercial footprint across Latin America, leveraging the reseller's regional presence and relationships within Mexico. Under the agreement, the partner will provide business development, sales, and technical support services to promote OPT's intelligent maritime solutions. The agreement also includes a $3 million purchase commitment for OPT's WAM-V unmanned surface vehicles. According to Philip Stratman, CEO of Ocean Power Technologies, the partnership opens a strong channel to deploy the company's intelligent maritime solutions across security, energy, and commercial markets in Mexico, while also building on OPT's existing momentum in Latin America. It advances broader goals of global expansion through partnerships through prioritizing channel-driven growth, scalable product deployments, and geographic expansion into high-potential markets. Meaning OPT will be like a sonar array scanning for similar opportunities around the world, so it can scale its global reseller network and unlock additional high-growth markets. To an extent, this has also been seen with OPT forming exclusive distribution and integration alliances with several companies, including Rayma International Group, Unique Group, Electron SAS, and Ocean Wave Solutions. On the topic of alliances, OPT entered into a strategic alliance with Red Cat Holdings to integrate drone technology with its WAM-V uncrewed surface vehicles for air and sea-based intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. For more on Red Cat and the buzz behind their drones, check out previous videos by searching Red Cat on the Ascencore channel page. Other milestones for OPT include achieving ISO 9001 certification for its quality management system, a globally recognized benchmark for excellence in engineering, manufacturing, and service delivery, which is often a requirement for customers. And perhaps most intriguing of all is OPT being granted a facility security clearance by the U.S. Department of Defense, authorizing it to support classified programs at the secret level, an advantage that could likely lead to extra support for R&D, as well as access to more potential contracts and collaborations. For more on OPT and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.